Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook whole grain brown rice. First, let's prepare our rice. Rinsing is a crucial initial step that helps remove any excess starch and surface impurities from the grains. Simply place your desired amount of brown rice into a fine mesh sieve and rinse it under cold running water for about 30 seconds. This quick action contributes significantly to achieving a fluffier texture and a cleaner, more distinct flavor in your final dish. Next, let's talk about the perfect water ratio. For every 1 cup of whole grain brown rice, you'll want to use 2 cups of water. This 2-to-1 ratio is key for proper absorption and cooking. While optional, soaking your rice in this water for about 30 minutes before cooking can significantly reduce the overall cooking time and lead to a more tender grain. Don't forget to add a small pinch of salt to the water. It really brings out the rice's natural flavors. Now for the cooking itself. Once your rice and water are ready, bring them to a rolling boil over medium-high heat. As soon as it boils, reduce the heat to its lowest setting, cover the pot tightly with a lid, and let it simmer undisturbed for approximately 45 minutes. It's really important not to lift the lid during this time, as the trapped steam is essential for cooking the rice evenly and thoroughly. Finally, the last crucial step for perfectly cooked brown rice is resting. Once the 45 minutes of simmering are complete, remove the pot from the heat source but keep the lid on. Let it rest for an additional 10 minutes. This resting period allows the steam to redistribute evenly, resulting in a more tender and less sticky texture. After resting, gently fluff the rice with a fork, and it's ready to be served and enjoyed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.